All right, to rationalize the denominator, we're going to take the denominator and multiply it by itself, except we're going to change the middle sign from positive to negative or vice versa. This is called the conjugate of the denominator. So whatever you do at the bottom, you must do the top. And now we're just going to multiply everything through and simplify. So on top, we get 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative root 3 is negative 2 root 3. Root 6 times 2 is plus 2 root 6. And root 6 times negative root 3 is negative root 18. You just multiply the inside of the radicals, the radicand. Now in the denominator, we're going to get 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative root 3 is negative 2 root 3. Root 3 times 2 is plus 2 root 3. And root 3 times negative root 3 is negative root 9. All right, you can see from the denominator, these cancel. And the square root of 9 is 3. And we no longer have a radical in the denominator. That's the reason why we do this process. It's called rationalizing the denominator. Okay, on top, the square root of 18 can be rewritten as the square root of 9 times the square root of 2. 9 is a perfect square, so this is really the same thing as 3 root 2. So I can change this to 3 root 2. And note, though, here we have the square root of 3, the square root of 6, and the square root of 2. These cannot be simplified any further, and they have the same power of the radical. It's the square root, but they have different radicands. And this one is just a number by itself, so that one cannot combine. None of these are like terms on top. On bottom, however, we have 4 minus 3 is just 1. So we just have this statement. And this is the best we can do. So that's going to be our answer.